Hi everyone, this is Yahoo. I'm a Christian trader. It's November 14, 2025, 8:17 a.m. Japan time. Today is SQ day in Japan and the market opened a bit soft. The Nikkei is around 50110 yen right now. The US government shutdown finally ended, so I expected the market to push higher afterward. But honestly, it feels like the momentum got cut off right now. So let's take a look at the market. First, Japan market. The Nikkei closed yesterday at 51282, up 0.43%. Volatility has finally calmed down and is now at 27.49. This rally originally began during a rise in volatility, pretty unusual. Now the volatility is settling. The market structure may be shifting again, so we should watch it closely. Price momentum is getting weaker, so a short break in the rally is possible, but I don't think we are heading straight into the big correction yet. PER is 19.25, EPS is 2663 yen, still improving. Long-term rates are ticking up to 30-year GBP yield is 3.17%. USD JPY is 154 yen, so yen weakness continues. For today's SQ, something around 50,000 seems reasonable to me. Okay, next, a reflection on my November view. I expected a major correction in November, and yeah, that call was way off. The bigger issue is I did not fully read my model. Sentiment was clearly pointing toward a growing fear, but Japan had huge unrealized profit built up, so even rising fear ended up pushing price up, not down. That's a new pattern for my records. Until now, I used two main signals. First, unrealized profit to growth of fear. But with only two signals, you get a one says up, one says down situation. So I added a third angle. Three, whether unrealized profit are still growing or starting to slow down. With three angle, you always get a clear direction, 2 versus 1. And this reduces errors a lot. Using this update model, I don't think we are in a highly negative phase yet. Okay, next, political environment. Trump is not joining the upcoming G20 summit in Africa, and China and Russia won't be there either. That basically means no major political events from November to February. And this quiet period often create unusual market moves, so we need to be aware of that when pricing trades. There's also talk about micro-bar put options, and some individual names dropped them weak in earnings, so I will keep monitoring everything as we move toward the December SQ. Okay, next US market. The S&P closed 6738 points and down 1.6%. It gains 1.5% on November 10th, and now it has lost almost all of that again. The US market still feels weak. Japan has been holding up global risk markets thanks to its big unrealized gains, but now Japan is losing strength. The key question is, does another market take over the law, or does everything start working together? VIX is 20 points also up again after the drop. Okay, the gold and Bitcoin. Gold is $4171 and GBZ is 24.82. Gold cooled down for a bit, but it's rising again. Possibly reacting to new kind of the worry in the market. If it break $4300, that would be important. Bitcoin finally broke below $100,000. now at $99000. Momentum is weak, feels like a top of 4 now. Okay, and Japan low in the global market, and Japan has been the anchor for global risk markets. If Japan lose the low, things get trickier fast. My update model says when Japan and US profits stop growing, they shrink very quickly, and time decay markets that far even faster. This is probably the most important point right now. That's all for today. If you enjoy my work, follow me in my long pit strategy. See you tomorrow.